So let me make sure. All right, make sure my framing ain't crazy, but weird, weird day today. I still got a little bit of a cough, um, but I just hopped on my phone just to come and talk to y'all. Per usual, I had a whole idea today for the video that I wanted to put out, but it's very ironic that what I talk about in the video, I was dealing with in my real life. Um, so I won't get too far into it. I'll let you guys watch tomorrow's video, but I'm sure you can, sort of put the pieces together. But just weird day today. Make sure I'm still good in frame. I'm so paranoid because I'm using my back camera and I can't see myself. So, a just weird day today of me kind of coming into my own a bit. Of I always joke and say that I'm a recovering people pleaser. So, um, when I'm starting to stand up for myself, when I'm starting to set boundaries, um, I'm getting the response that I get is not great, and it doesn't feel good, and I feel wrong, and I feel guilty. Um, so I'm still really trying to deal with that. Um, but I think it's important for me to confront how I'm feeling, confront how I got myself into said situation, and also heal from it so I don't pass it down. Um, in tomorrow's video, hopefully I have it done by tomorrow. Um, that video more symbolically talks about what I'm talking about. So, with that being said, another cool thing, and we'll see how it comes out. Um, I need to. I don't want to give away tomorrow's video, but I need to go to someone's house, go to my cousin's house and film over there. Obviously, I have this cough, and I'm keeping my butt in the house with this cough. It's not the vid. I got tested and I'm good, but I got something and I don't want to spread it. So I'm gonna keep my butt home. So I'm gonna try to be like a remote director and sort of direct her into getting the shot that I need. So we'll see how that comes out. Um, I'm low key kind of proud of myself for being resourceful because usually I just be like, oh, I'm sick. Well, I can't do anything. Also, with the day that I had today, I've usually let that stuff sort of put me into a funk. And then I'm just like, well, I'm not doing anything today, like whatever. But I know I can't do that on a 30-day challenge because y'all need videos and I need to put these videos out, for me because I need to heal. This is the stuff that I'm really digging into, where it's just like, this is my way of healing and expressing what I need to express. So ain't no we ain't doing a video today, girl. Get up. So um anyway, I'm just happy about where I'm at right now, even though today was a weird day. It didn't stop no show. I still reached out to the people that I needed to reach out to, still making plans to put myself in a better position, um, artistically, physically, mentally, all of that. Um, Today feels like growth in spite of hurdles. And I'm happy about that. Low key proud of that. Because I have a hard time with sort of patting myself on the back. Because in my mind, I'd be like, well, it's people with a worse situation than you. And I don't really give myself credit. But I'm working on that. I'm calling it out. And it's not healthy. And I would encourage other people to do the same. So yeah. It's been a weird day. but it's been a growth-inducing day. And I rock with growth-inducing days. So hopefully tomorrow you will have an actual video. Or, I mean, this is an actual video too, but you know, more of my creative-based videos. Or not. I might just be talking some more. We'll see. We'll see. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. Hopefully y'all didn't see my messy room.